Yes, hello fam. Well, welcome back to my channel again. So like we're gonna have some readings for the sign of Cancer. Yes, if you like my video and if it resonates with you, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. But yes, don't forcefully try to resonate the readings because universe is planning something even good for you. But my journey here is to just show you the glimpse. I hope my readings resonate, to be honest, and I just hope everyone to have a very good health, wealth, life, and happiness. Yeah, of course. Yes. So we'll check some energies of Cancer these days. Well, Cancer most probably is related to planet Moon. Related to, nay, it's actually related to Moon. I don't know what I'm saying. Yes, sometimes it happens. The tripping one. It's okay. Okay. Chalo, we'll see. Of Cancer, 21st August to 31st August 2025. Let's see what comes up for Cancer. What's going on right now with the Cancer sign? The sign of Moon, the alone sign of Moon. Moon has only Cancer, Leo has the Sun, which is me, of course. Like I'm like both, like from both, where I'm like a fire sign, Sag and Leo. Yeah, I have like many energies also, like Leo related to me, like moving around me. Yeah. So wow, so most probably for right now, for the Cancer, yes, I'm getting cards for like missing energies. I can actually feel here the missing energies. Well, I can see some lots of traveling going on, but yet you're fighting internally within yourself, and most probably you're struggling in your relationship. Yes, it's like a, I can say the finest cards I've just had on my deck, that something is not working up in a relationship. Well, the Cancer sign, like it's always something and something because of Moon energies are quite navigating energies, so it's like quite disturbed. The people are quite disturbed, but really if the Moon has a very best conjunction, or like have a very good I can say very good, like it's with a very good constellation, I can say, then it's like working in your favor. Moon always has to be strong in your charts. Yes, but if it's not, you can have some remedies, you can please Moon easily. Yeah. Yes. Now let's see what's coming up for Cancer. Cancer. What's coming up for the Cancer? Yeah. Still, you're like many people are depressed over here. I can see the stressful energies. Yet I got the same energies again back. You're trying to learn something new. You're sharing many stuffs, and most probably right now I can see many fire signs with you, like Aries, Sag, and Leo with you. Cancer sign. Yeah, you are actually even working on some guidance. You are having a lot of spiritual work done at your place also for yourself, and you are much more inclined in it. Yes, right now many people, I can say many energies are like getting and just letting you crave into that spirituality. Yes, it's just going on right now, so it's okay. Now let's see what's coming up for you, Cancer. What's coming up for you? What's, ouch. Wow, you try to learn a lot. Cancers, I can see it's very mature energies. Yes, most probably you're feeling that sort of harmony from right now. Harmony, that happiness you're feeling from right now. Yes, harmony. Yes, harmony. You're feeling from like right now. You're just like, okay, I just don't care. I'll just go with the flow. As per your personal life, it's like you kind of want some break. Yes, let me clarify. Yeah, you kindly want some break from many things. You just wanna let go everything. It's like you have developed that sense of sense of energy that if it's meant for you, it will be of course for you. So right now you don't want anything. Yes, it's like a wonderful card, but yes, it's kind of mature energies, to be honest. A very mature energies, and I'm like really appreciate it. Like, I've never met any Cancer. Most probably, even in my family, in my friends, I've least, like, there are very least people who have this Cancer energies. I mean, sorry, Cancer sign. Yeah, very least. So never had a chat with any of these. Okay, one card fell. Okay. Oh, it didn't fell that much, but it's okay. I can take it back. Yes, you are like coming up through a lot these days. What's coming up for you? In that, I have got a cards like a breakthrough one. You're just coming out through many things. You just don't want to stay over there. That things are not worth it for you. You are actually shining. You're within yourself. You have learned what you have to do, what you want. You have actually learned that thing. So you, to be honest, just want to just come out from everything, and you are actually doing it. You're trying like your best to just come out from such topics and negativity is like which is not eventually serving you. That's what I said, that this is like a very mature energies I'm getting, and that's a really very good card. Wow. I can also sense some traveling going on these days. Yes, a lots of traveling. Yes, but yet you try to keep yourself very much isolated these days. Yes, you don't want to like much more socialize with any people. Sorry, like if you're just going out, you'll go out alone, but you don't want anyone to be with you. Don't even want that much talking and stalking and chit chatting on the phones, on the messages and all. So it's like very good energies. Yes, you're just understanding the process that something is about to change up in your life, and you are trying to accept the change. Wow, that is one of the, I can say, the booming stuff going on. You're trying to accept the change. No one, I can see this are very strong energies, because very less people have that sort of thing, that they are trying to change, but they are not trying to accept the change. You actually, you guys have that sense also, that if this change is up to me, my life is blessed. Yes, Cancer are blessed these days. Wow. So now the guidance for the Cancer till from 2021 August to 31st August 2025. I just forgot the dates. Separating from many things and releasing of your many things and working on with passion. Yes, you're just trying to express your true self in this cards. What I just found as a guidance right now, just go ahead and make the gesture for yourself. Many things will be coming between you, but you have to choose what you exactly want. Very good energies. I don't know you, and actually I can also feel that you have actually separated, and you're trying to separate more of the stuff which is not even serving you. You guys have the same energies these days. Yes, yes, yes. That's a very good card. Just know one thing, try to express yourself, because universe is listening to you. Universe is listening to each and every person over here. So just try to express yourself. Wow, that's a booming sign, and you're just going up with the passion, so the universe can receive the whole amount of energies which you want to, which you are asking for, what which is like being granted to you. Yes, a very good sign. Yes, so thank you. If you really like my readings, yes, please like, do like, share, subscribe and comment, so I can just make some more videos in the future. Yes, it's one of the best thing I can ever see. Most probably when it's working the same for your personal life and all. Wow, I just can't resist my readings, but I just want to have some more, but it's okay. We'll try something else rather than this also. Yeah, so thank you so much. Bye.